Welcome to the North American headquarters of WIPOTEC OCS. We are here in the Atlanta suburb of Lawrenceville, Georgia. WIPOTEC is a German manufacturer of precision weighing and product inspection equipment. And today we're going to talk about Checkweighers. So follow me and let's get started. The ACA Checkweighers is our top-of-the-line checkweighers designed for applications where product weighing speed is critical. Food, healthcare, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic packaging lines are prime examples of ACA checkweighers applications. The HCA is a modular checkweighers and is available in a number of different product variations. Let's take a closer look at the machine's figures and configurations options. Have a look at the frame of the HCA, see how the open frame is, and note the rounded supported structures. We do this for easy cleaning and to ensure that no food particles are trapped in the machine. The base of the frame is filled with concrete to ensure stability that in turn help with precision product weighing. Moving up the center portion of the checkweighers, we come to the EMFR weigh cell. EMFR weigh cell technology is at the heart of all WIPOTEC OCS checkweighers. An EMFR weigh cell can be compared to a simple beam balance. Most checkweighers have a left-to-right product travel. However, the machine design is flexible enough that during manufacture, we can change the direction of travel to right to left if the application demands it. The product size and shape, as well as the product speed, will largely determine what in-feed options we may need to ensure a smooth product movement through the checkweighers. The goal is to ensure a smooth product takeover from the main product line and a smooth transport of the product over the weighing conveyor. Reject options are also critical. The specific reject option used is determined by the product type and the line speed. With this particular ACA machine configuration, we have one plastic reject bin. HCA checkweighers are also available with a metal detector. WIPOTEC offers 3 checkweighers product lines. The gray colored border is your indication that you're looking at an HCA class of checkweighers. Here we have an article that is our product to be weighed, set up for a target weight of 10.5 grams. In this case, we will accept weights up to 15 grams and down to 6 grams. All of these settings are configurable. The capture weight of the product is displayed at the top of the screen. If everything is within tolerance, the product weights will fall within the green area. As over and underweight products are found, you may see the indicator fall within these light-colored areas. This production information is accessible in the checkweighers by any upper-level host device. A product that is too heavy or too light will get rejected. Products that have proper weight and no metal contaminant continues down the production line. Let's walk through the checkweighers menu screens, starting in the upper right corner of the HMI screen. Password. There are multiple security levels depending on your level of access. Production. Provides current status and activity totals for your checkweighers operations. Article. Menu screens for setting up the product-related functions of the machine, such as over and underweight measurement parameters. Statistics. Screens related to the production run history and how essentially well your filling line is operating are located here. Service. Reserved for maintenance operations. Settings. Other operational parameters. A green oval with the word start in the center indicates that all checkweighers functions are okay and the machine is ready for operation. A yellow oval may indicate that a self-test operation has failed. The lower center of the screen indicates the current operational status of the machine. The round button to the left indicates the machine's error history. The question mark is a more detailed explanation of a specific error condition. We hope this short video was useful in helping you understand the features and capabilities of the HCA checkweighers from WIPOTEC OCS. WIPOTEC OCS offers a diverse portfolio of checkweighers, starting with the entry-level ECE through the mid-range HCM series and up to the HCA line.